Hi, my name is Anthony Pasito, and in this video, we're going to be discussing Google Forms. Google Forms is a survey maker which now has quiz capabilities. To access Forms, click on the New button and then select More. From here, you will see Google Forms. Forms has two main screens, questions and responses. We'll start on the question screen and work our way around. First thing you want to do is name your form. Just like the Google Apps from the previous video, once you name the document or begin to edit, Forms saves automatically. In Forms, you will see evidence of the save to the right of the form name. Clicking on the color palette will allow you to edit the way your form looks to the viewers. You can select from a series of colors or choose your own theme based on the reason for this form. You can also upload your own photographs to create a custom theme. The eye allows you to quickly see how the form will look to viewers. The form is live, so if you preview and submit answers, they will be recorded. I'll show you how to remove recorded responses on the responses page. The gear wheel takes you to the form settings. Here, we have General, Presentation, and Quiz settings. The first checkbox sets the permissions for this form. Right now, it is checked so that only viewers with a providenceschools.org account can view the form. If you plan on people outside of that domain completing the form, you should uncheck that box. If you ever create a form and then some viewers tell you that they don't have access, this is usually the issue. You have the first checkbox selected and the viewers are not part of the same domain as you. You can also collect email addresses of participants and limit them to only one response. The checkboxes below control the participants' options after they submit answers. The presentation settings control how your participants experience the form. You can add a progress bar, shuffle questions, and provide them with a link to submit again. You can also write a message that they will see once they have completed the form. The quizzes setting is new to Google Forms. This allows you to assign point values to questions as well as choose the correct answers for participants to see upon completion. Clicking on Make this a quiz will activate those options. Selecting the next two options will tell Google Forms how you would like to grade the quiz. You can have participants see their score once they press submit, or you can view it manually and submit their score. Finally, the next three checkboxes adjust what the participants are able to see. Don't forget to select Save before leaving the settings. We're going to move away from the Send button and now focus on how to create questions. Within questions, you can alter the title of a form and include a description or directions for the participants. Forms allow for a variety of question types. We will not go through each one, but users can pause the video and practice creating each type of question. Creating a question is as simple as clicking on the prompts and editing the text. You can also add images to these options by clicking the image box to the right of each response. Since this is an online survey maker, you can search Google directly within this form. Below the question is an answer key. This allows you to choose the correct answer, assign a point value, and provide some answer feedback. To add a new question, click on the plus sign and go through the process again. If you are creating similar questions repeatedly, you might want to utilize the duplicate question feature. And if you want to make sure that this is a question that is answered before the participant submits a response, select Required. Below the plus sign will allow you to add a title, images, and videos between questions. This could be useful if you would like the participants to view a video and then respond to a series of questions. When you're finished with the form, you will click on Send. Here, you're provided with a few different methods to get this survey or quiz to your participants. First, you can send it via email. Second, you can copy and send a link. And thirdly, you can embed the form within a website. If copying the link, you can shorten the URL by selecting the box. Once the form has been sent and answers have been collected, clicking on Responses will bring you to a series of visual representations of those responses. If you would rather have responses recorded within a spreadsheet, you may click on the green spreadsheet icon and follow the directions. Clicking on these three circles and going to delete all responses will delete the responses that were already recorded. At the end of the day, the best way to get to know Google Forms is to begin creating, and soon you'll be utilizing these surveys in a variety of ways.